Hey guys. Welcome to another brand new video. Today I gonna show you how you can draw a steel material and the reflection. I hope you learned something from this video and it is useful for you. So, let's go. You can either use colored paper or plain paper, and I will show you both of them here. I want to show you the minimum tools you need to be able to draw this style of painting. You will need HB, 2B, 4B and 14B pencils for the darker parts. You can use 2B instead of 4B. It is better to use delicate erasers to make it easier for you. Like this one. The thickness of this model is 2.3 mm, and it is suitable for this work, but I use a normal eraser. Correction pen. Mechanical pencil for delicate parts. I am using 2B for that. You need an essential tool to paint on colored paper. White chalk pencil. Yes, that's my white chalk pencil. White pen for highlights. And finally, you can use one of these three tools for shading. Cotton swab, tissue paper or brush. I use size 10 of this brush model. First, I draw on colored paper. To draw it, we divide it into three main parts. The first part is the bright part. We should not darken these parts, they are completely white and bright. The second part is dark. This part is the darkest part of every drawing, which is usually better to use pencils above 6B to draw them. The third part is the part that is placed between the first part and the second part. That is, this part is not dark and also not light and something in between. They are divided into two types. The first type of painting is necessarily normal and uniform. And the second part, it is a part that always starts from a dark place and ends in a bright place or vice versa. In fact, the direction is not important and it can be in any direction. Always try to start drawing from bright areas, especially on colored paper. Erase some of the lines you drew near these parts while drawing the sketch. Here, I draw the dark parts and use a mechanical pencil for the finer parts. 14B pencil and 2B for mechanical pencil. It's time to draw the third part. For the third part, I use HB and 2B pencils. And finally, we use a correction pen and a white pen to draw the highlights. It is easier to draw it on regular paper, and here I have drawn another example on regular paper with the same method and trick. I use 120 grams paper, but it is better to use 220 grams. I hope you learned something from this video and it's useful for you. Ask me your question so I can help you. See you in the next video.